Oh, true. Like that was a crazy experience that we've all done together. Like I wouldn't have been there if it wasn't for this guy,
Mm.
right? So
Interesting.
originally, like,
Interesting.
yeah, those people that we were working with, and like that's how we met Ashton through all that stuff too. But we were always working on our own stuff, and then we were working with this company, and he was coming. They wanted to work with him on the creative side, just building his music up. But his biggest thing was like, well, I already have my own engineer. I got BC and stuff like that. So he's like, he didn't see where the value lied, and that's when he was riding for me when he didn't have to. He could have easily like jumped ship and just done the own thing and left me in the wind.
Right.
But he was like, no, he's like, this is my guy. So that kind of brought me into the fold with that. And, there were opportunities that presented themselves through that for me to work down there all the time. And I said no, because I was like, this is my guy. Like we're building our stuff together. So I did that. And like, we just through and through this road together. And yeah, when we were down there working, it was a great experience. Definitely learned a lot. But like to me, that was like it's cool because it's like studio, but like you can make music anywhere, right? Like I have just probably more fun working in the basement, the workspace, or working here
Yeah.
than in there. It's got a lot of cool buttons